Hello guys! Welcome to Food Explorer. So kababayan, hindi na kami sa German restaurant guys. So ang order ko ay beef barbecue, mac and cheese, at sa kanya ay beef wagyu burger guys. At alam niyo ba guys, na ang Germany ay pinaka-the best gumawa ng beer sa buong mundo, charot. Pops, hindi kami sponsored, pero yung totoo guys, masarap talaga yung beer nila. Big card. What's the name? Smoking. Still smoking guys. Now let's eat. Cheers! Kain tayo. Wow, look at that. So creamy. Sorry kids.